Ginger can be a powerful natural remedy when used the right way, especially if you struggle with cold nights, restless sleep, or waking up feeling stiff and uncomfortable. So in today's video, we're talking about ginger, how to use it correctly, and why it can help you feel warm, relaxed, and comfortable all through the night. If you've only been using ginger in cooking, you might be missing its real nighttime benefits. Let's get into it. Ginger has been used for centuries as a natural warming herb. It contains active compounds like gingerol, which help support healthy circulation, reduce inflammation, and calm the body. That's why many people notice that after drinking ginger the right way, their body feels warmer, lighter, and more relaxed, perfect for nighttime comfort. Now here's the secret. It's not just about eating ginger. It's about using it as a soothing night drink. The best way is a simple ginger tea before bed. Here's how to make it. Take about 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or a few thin slices. Add it to a cup of hot water. Let it simmer or steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then strain it. For extra benefits, you can add a teaspoon of honey or a little lemon, but keep it light at night. Drink this about 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. What happens next is what many people love. Ginger helps the body feel warmer, improves digestion, and may reduce bloating or discomfort that keeps you awake. It also supports the immune system, so you're not waking up feeling drained. Another reason ginger works so well at night is because it can help reduce muscle tension and inflammation. So if you often feel body aches, joint stiffness, or even cold feet at bedtime, ginger may help you feel more comfortable. But here's an important warning. Too much ginger late at night can be stimulating for some people. The right amount is key. Stick to 1 cup per night and avoid taking large doses if you have ulcers, take blood thinners, or have medical conditions. Now, if you want an even stronger nighttime version, try this: ginger plus warm milk. Just add a pinch of ginger powder into warm milk with a little honey. This combination can feel deeply calming and comforting, especially during cold seasons. So the next time you want to feel relaxed, warm, and comfortable all through the night, don't just use ginger randomly. Use it the right way. 1 simple cup before bed could make a big difference. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more natural health tips, and comment below, have you tried ginger at night before? Thanks for watching and sleep well.